Hi, today we're going to be taking a unboxing review and let and see at these little insect cones. So let's get the camera back focus here. There you go. Multifunctionality, 25 standard cones, 15 bat flow cones. I have no idea what bat flow cones are. Standard cones I know, but bat flow cones, I'm just not really sure what the heck that means. But yeah, the scent is supposed to be dragon's blood. I love dragon blood for my incense. That's like my number one incense to go to. Always dragon's blood. So it says flowing light water, smoke pouring down the burner like substance to waterfall. Indulge in the mystery aroma dwelling by our site exclusive collection of highly fragrant insect cones. Fragrant insect cones. 40 cones in here. I think they're like $1 or something. I got them at Walmart. So I'm not really exactly sure what the full price was. $1.50, $1.88. Figure somewhere around like the $1 to $2 price range for this. So what do they look like and stuff? So here they are. So you get one that is in a little baggie. So they say 15 bat flow cones. I'm guessing these are the 15. And then the 25, I'm guessing it's right here, the 25. Now you do get this very, very tensely, cheaply incense burner. I mean, this thing, I don't know how good you can see it, but you can see when it's been punched out, it's been completely off center. Because there's a bit of a wedge on this side. You can see where it has the stamp mark that they didn't cut off. This side's been cut too much. And the back of it looks like they just took a lid from like a weather old pull top type of open can. You know, like if you have a can that you just pull it open and pull it back. You know what I'm talking about, right? Those old pop top, pull tab type of cans. Listen to the bed. It looks almost like the same type of material metal. Except those can lids feel a little bit sturdier than this. But yeah, we'll go ahead and give it a shot here. So let's see. Not really sure what that says. That might be the bat flow cones. Although, it wouldn't make sense because, you know, that's 25. Let's take a look at these other cones here. Let me smell both of them. There is slightly two different sensitivities. I don't know if you can see it on camera here. Well, actually you can now. But there is two different colors. So, this darker color you get 25. The light color you get 15. I'm going to actually go and try the 25 cones. Yeah, not the best burner, but I guess for a test burner it will serve its purpose. I know usually these cones they don't like to catch on fire that good. Compared to, you know, incense sticks. The sticks, they burn a lot better than the cones. Cones, they produce a lot more scent than sticks, but they are hard to light and they die out really fast. So, it depends on, hey, should I get the dragon blood in a cone of sticks? Sticks burn a little bit slower, but not as powerful. Although I will say dragon blood is a pretty powerful scent. Now, as you can see, there is smoke wafting from this that you can kind of see from the camera here. Like if I do this, you can see the smoke effect a little bit better. That's coming up between my fingers here. But yeah, how does it smell? It smells actually pretty nice for a little incense cone. So yeah, like I said, $1 or something away at Walmart. Not that bad. Although I would say get a better incense cone holder. Because this one really flimsy and cheap. But does it do its job? Yeah, I mean, it's nice that they folded it in there. But they don't say it on the box. Hey, 40 cones, 25 standard, 15 backflow, plus a little chintzy inset burner cone holder. You know, they don't mention the little cone holder on the box. They just mention you get 40 incense, just drain blood, 25 standard, 15 backflow. That's what they just mentioned. But yeah, so yeah, does this even have a website? I'm not sure if this has a website. I don't think this does. But yeah, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit that notification bell, and leave a comment down below. Alright, thanks, bye.